This is the BLIAUTO 194 type automotive LED bulbs. Let's take it out of the box. So here are the bulbs here. Like I said, they are automotive bulbs, 194 type, so they have a wedge base like this. These are very, very commonly used in vehicles for things like the door lights, the dome light, the glove box light, the trunk light, map lights, rear seat lighting, under dash lighting. Very, very, very common automotive bulb. So you can replace all of those with LED. Now these run at 6,000 Kelvin color temperature. That's sort of like a daylight, bright white type thing, as opposed to sort of a warm white. It's more like a very cool white. Now these are not the brightest bulbs you can buy, and that's okay, because you don't want the brightest bulbs you can get for, let's say, a dome light. Oh sure, you might want to see a little better in your car at night, but I'm sure you'll be very, very happy with these. There are other ones that are a lot larger in size. These are identical to the actual size of a 194 bulb, so they're a direct fit replacement. And they're quite bright as they are. I've replaced all of the lighting in my vehicle with these bulbs, and they've been nothing short of excellent. The interior has brightened up considerably from what it once was. So they did an excellent job with that. These put out 240 lumens. They're 2 watts. Like I said, there are other bulbs available out there that are much brighter than this, and those would be very good to use for, let's say, the reverse lights on your car if it takes this style of bulb, because that way you could see a lot better. These will do a fine job with that, and they're also good as license plate marker lights. So let me light this one up for you. So here is the bulb here. You can see that it has 2 emitters there, 2 diodes. It does cast a very slight shadow in the center as it goes down, as you can see with the light going back and forth like that. But in any sort of fixture in a car, you're never even going to see that. It's not a problem because they all have reflectors to reflect the light down to where you need it. So that's not even a problem at all. Like I said, quite bright for what they are, and they certainly do the job. Let me turn the room lights out so you can see it a little better. There we are. You can see how it lights the wall up, whereas if I move it, you can see it certainly is quite bright, and over here is also quite good. Again, you have that little shadow in the center, but that's not going to be a problem when it's installed in a fixture. They're decent lights, certainly for the price. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the car with all of these installed now. That's pretty dark out now, so I'll go show you the car with the BLIAUTO LEDs. The welcome light will come on, and there you are. Let's enter. There it is there in the dome light. This has like a front light, if you will, and off to the side are 2 map lights. So we'll go ahead and put those on. That's what that looks like. And that's what the seat looks like with all the map lights on the passenger side. This is what it looks like in the car with just the dome light on. And in the back I put them as well. This has 2 lights for the back. You can see that shining on the floor there, as you see there. So what I'm going to do is put both of these on. This way I can shut the doors. Okay. And now I'll put on the map lights and you can see it from the outside. And here's what the car looks like with all of the interior lights on. As such, even in the back, everything is very well and nicely lit up. Like I said, these are not the brightest bulbs that are out there. You can certainly get much brighter. But hey, if you had to look at a map or something, or see where you dropped something, there's plenty of light. I mean, just take a look. That's pretty well lit up. Very, very nice. Another cool feature is these actually dim out just like the original incandescents did, as you just saw there. I'll open the door again. It fades on. I'll shut it, and I'll go ahead and lock the door, and it'll shut the light and dim out. Very nice. So once again, this was the BLIAUTO 194 type automotive LED bulbs. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.